चिकन लहसुणी करपा खातीर तुमकां लागतले तेल, बारीक चिरलेले लसूण, ओवो, बदामाची पेस्ट, आले लसणीची पेस्ट, व्हाईट पेपर, मीठ, फ्रेश क्रीम, तिखेचो पिठो, जिऱ्याचो पिठो, मीठ, सॅफ्रन कलर, चीज आनी नटमेग पावडर। एका कायलीन तेल गरम करून बारीक चिरलेलो लसूण आनी ओवो मातसो भाजून घेवपाचो। तातूंत मॅरिनेटेड चिकन घालून 5 ते 10 मिनटां चिकन शिजोवन घेवपाचें। ताच्या उपरांत फ्रेश क्रीम, तिखेचो पिठो, जिऱ्याचो पिठो, मीठ, सॅफ्रन कलर, चीज, नटमेग पावडर घालून 5 मिनटां परत शिजोवन घेवपाचें। चिकन लहसुणी तयार।
So chef, for how many years you've been working here with Dudhsagar?
Dudhsagar is the last 4 years working here.
Okay. And how's the experience? What is the response that you all get from the customers?
It's a very good response, a positive response that we have a good dishes.
So basically today is my day out with all my favorites. Avinash, I think you can eat this garlic naan. So Avinash, usually I don't eat mutton, but I shall taste it. कित्याक म्हाका तो वास इतलो बरो आयला की it is actually tempting me to eat. Very nice. All together different taste, chef. It's very nice. Now it's time for my favorite chicken.
Lasun.
Awesome. I like this dish a lot because it has given that cheesy flavor.
Yes, ma'am.
And the creamy thing also,
garlic,
very
yeah.
rich. And garlic, yes, of course. So, I would like to suggest our viewers, if you all be here to Dudhsagar Spa Resort, don't forget to taste Lasuni chicken. Okay? Thank you, chef, so much for showing us such a wonderful dishes and sparing your time with us.
Dudhsagar Spa Resort also offers unique and first of its kind wild zone area with complete activity set up that can be utilized for various activities ranging from high rope activities to zip wire towers.
And now welcome to Guesto's Chef's Kitchen.
शेफ आज कौन सा नया डिश?
आज थोड़ा हटके है. It's you can feel that there is some prawns in it, some noodles are there, some. आप सोचोगे कि भाई कुछ चाइनीज डिश.
हाँ, वही मैं पूछने वाला था.
चाइनीज वाला नहीं है, आज चाइनीज डिश नहीं है. There is some Malaysian kind of thing, Oriental, but not Chinese. It's a Malaysian dish. It's there are 2 dishes in one plate. Okay, there's if you say in the Malaysia, there's some prawns curry and all the things, they give it separate with the noodle. But I am doing it as a noodle on one plate and the prawns also on one plate. Okay, this is some kind of, this is sambal udang. I'm going to use it as sambal udang with prawns. Udang means prawns and sambal means your sauce which made out of ginger paste, garlic. Then this is your shrimp paste. This is a shrimp paste I'm going to use it, and which easily available in the market. And the chili paste.
This is red chili paste.
Yeah,
right?
red chili paste.
Just with water, or you have added some vinegar or something?
Nothing. Just little of salt and the little oil. Nothing.
Okay.
You boil the chilies first, and when you are making the paste out of it, put little water in it, some oil and some salt in it. That's it. And then noodle, which I'm gonna just, that is called, Malaysia is called very famous, that is mee goreng and nasi goreng. The mee goreng means noodles and nasi goreng means rice. But here generally they do add the chicken in the goreng. First I'll make this prawns, then we'll start with the noodle.
ये डिश का नाम क्या है?
Sambal udang. No, yeah, sambal udang with mee goreng. You can say sambal udang with mee goreng. Sambal
Udang.
with mee goreng.
Very difficult.
Very.
Yeah, very difficult to pronounce it, but it's very tasty. Yeah, it's a very tasty. So I'll prefer that nobody should miss the taste.
So viewers, and एकूच request, now I couldn't dish करपाची अजिबात राहू नका. Dish is very simple, so please try it at home.
Put some garlic. As soon as this become translucent, put some ginger paste in it. Now you can see there is a nice golden brown color on the garlic, and the ginger paste is also cooked nicely. So you put this paste, shrimp paste.
ये कैसे बनती है?
Shrimp you make it half dry, ठीक है, and then you make a paste out of it. Add some water to get a nice fine paste out of it. You no need to put a salt in it because it's already the salt in shrimp paste. So just add the prawns in it.
Now those prawns are marinated or something?
No,
Just
marinade.
clean.
Just clean it. Take out the shell out of it and put the even take a devein it.
Okay, and you did not add salt or anything?
Nothing because there is a shrimp paste which has a salt in it. So when you are making that for preservation, you know the salt is a very good preservative thing. When you are doing pickling and all the things, you no need to add any kind of in the home style pickles. You don't need to add any kind of preservative in it because there is a salt oil which preserves that pickle for a longer time. At least for 6 months, 1 year, you can preserve it for your home. Don't try to cook it for a longer time because shrimps are the prawns, the seafood. If you cook it for a longer time, it gets toughened. It gets tough. The softness और उसकी जो original taste है वो पूरी निकल जाती है. So try to always keep it in moderate heat and cook it for very less time. This is done. Now we'll start with the noodles.
अभी ये अपने कौन सा नूडल्स लिया है?
Regular noodle. Regular noodle you get it in the market. Little bit warm. Now you put little of garlic in it. Little of garlic. If you feel you can add little bit of oil also because garlic should dip it in the oil. Add some French beans, some carrot in it, some capsicum in it. I'm not gonna add any cabbage in it because some of the people don't like the cabbage at all, and they even ordered in the hotel when they go for some noodles and all the things. They specifically tell them that please don't add cabbage for the noodles.
और onion भी होता है.
Onion भी कर सकते हैं. Onions, even spring onions you can use it, the spring onions. When you see this very seared kind of thing, you can put little bit of turmeric. Little bit of red chili paste.
अविनाश मगर दिसता you can eat this dish before adding prawns. Prawns की जगह दूसरा कुछ डाल सकते हैं.
हाँ, anytime. Mee goreng is a separate dish. I am just making it 2 dishes in one plate. One plate.
So what is the other option for prawns?
You can use tofu, some vegetables and all. Okay, now our vegetables are seared properly. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of noodles in it. Add some salt in it and
शेफ कई बार जब नूडल्स बॉईल करते हैं ना एकदम पिचपिचा सा हो जाता है तो व्हाट
तो हमेशा याद रखना कि वो बॉइलिंग वाटर में जब आप नूडल डालने वाले हो तो थोड़ा सा ऑयल डालना होता है। थोड़ा सा ऑयल डालना पानी में, देन स्टार्ट वाटर फॉर बॉइलिंग। कीप स्टरिंग इट फॉर एटलीस्ट 1 or 2 times. Don't stir it vigorously, just little bit. You have to keep the glass on high flame, so water will keep boiling. Or take it out in the noodle strainer, and then try to put it on a flat surface. Put it on a flat surface, sprinkle some oil on the top, and keep tossing it with the oil.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा
Keep tossing it with the oil. So क्या होता है वो easily dry भी हो जाता है, ठंडा भी हो जाता है और एक साथ चिपकता नहीं। Now we'll do the presentation. This is our mee goreng with sambal udang. Mee goreng with sambal udang. It's very difficult to pronounce it.
very
but
difficult
very
to
easy
pronounce
to make
it, but very easy to make it. I think Avinash won't taste it. I will taste it. So this was our yet another journey in search of good food and only good food.
तुमकां ज्यो आमी डिशीज दाखयतात तुम्ही घरा कडेन तयार करून पळयता आसतलेच, पूण त्याच बरोबर तुमच्या एरियेन असे काय फूड जॉयंट्स आसात आनी तांची कितें तरी स्पेशालिटी आसात जाल्यार आमकां कळयात.
You can contact us at features@prudentmedia.in.
आणि तुमच्या मुखार आमी अश्यो नवीन नवीन डिशीज घेऊन येत रावतले. आता तुमकां सगळ्यांक बाय बाय.
Bite, eat and stay connected with us.
आणि एक काम करात, दर शुक्रार सांजे 7:30 वरांचेर आणि 9:30 वरांचेर बायट इट प्रोग्राम मात्र पळोवपाक विसरो नाकात.
If our bite it chukla, don't worry. Log in to www.prudentmedia.in. Till then, keep watching
प्रुडंट.